Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my doll room. I'm here with another unboxing today. This baby just arrived on my front porch. This is a full-size LPK kid, a little boy that I got from one of the sites of fellow collectors. So not directly from Babyland, but I'm gonna thank Michelle for letting me adopt him. And I am so excited. I haven't looked yet. I'm so excited to open him up with you guys and take a peek and see how he looks. The box even looks like it's a Babyland box. I think it might be. And I see a Babyland bag in here. It just feels like this baby's coming right from Babyland. And here's his papers too. Oh my goodness. He is so precious, guys. Oh, he's got that truly yarn hair. It is a beautiful, vibrant, like red. It looks like a burgundy. It's so pretty. His name is Dylan Thomas. He's got the mocha skin and the blue eyes and freckles. And could he possibly be any cuter is the question I ask you today, because look at him. He is just so darn cute. He's got, oh my God, look at the little sneakers. I absolutely love them. His whole outfit is just adorable with the little sailboats. He's a cutie. So just thank you for joining me for this unboxing. That's all I've got for you today, since I did all of my other recent babies yesterday, but I just had to come on to do an unboxing for this little cutie because I knew he would not disappoint. So thank you for joining me here in the doll room again, and have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye. Say bye, Dylan. Bye. All right, guys, so thank you for joining me again. Just one more look at the doll room. I've found a spot for Dylan. Oh, these cuties. And there he is. There's Dylan and Desilu from the unboxing yesterday. So thank you for joining me once again. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. And for more great Cabbie videos, please like, subscribe, and share.